Hello, today we will learn about 6.1c. How do you determine and shed the region that satisfy a linear inequality? Okay, let's see. This graph is already drawn for you, and as you know, this straight line, we call it in general y equal mx plus c. And if you want to shed the region that satisfy a linear inequality, let's say I have this one, the linear inequality is this one. How do you shed? How do you shed when you have this linear inequality? That is, the symbol over there here is more and equal. So as we previously have done it, so you have to do to shed, it's the upper region, if this is the line, the upper region, so you shed over here. Okay, and if the inequality is less or equal, so you shed over here, down below the straight line. And you can see here that your symbol, you have the one more and equal, so you see that your straight line is a solid line. It's a solid line. Okay, let's see here. Over here you still have the straight line y mx plus c, and if you want to shed y more than mx plus c, no equal sign, so you have to use this dash line, dash line. So still the same with this one. If it is more, then you shed on the upper of the straight line, and this one is less, so you shed over here. Okay, and then if you have a straight line like this, it's vertical, vertical to y-axis, and you want to shed the region for x less than 3, so you just shed on the left hand side of the straight line, and then if you want to shed the x more than or equal to 3, so it's over here. Okay, next, how do you did next example, this time you have a straight line that is horizontal, horizontal to this x-axis, so y equal -2. So if you shed here, that means this is for y less or equal to -2. If you shed over here, the above the line, so it will be y more or equal to -2. Okay, and please check, please remember it is a solid line because you have the equal sign over here. And this one is x more than equal 3 is this area, and for x less equal 3 it's this area. So it's very easy. Okay, now if you have this dash line, so over here will be y more than 2, and over here will be y less than 2. Okay, and then over here x negative 3, so over here will be x more than negative 3, and over here will be x, oh, this one is a mistake already. This one is more than negative 3. This one is x less than negative 3. Okay. So you just remember, class, if you have this symbol, your straight line, when you draw your straight line, it must be a dash line. Yeah, this is your equation, and when you draw your straight line, you have to draw it dash, dash, dash. And then if your inequality, the symbol is have the equal sign, so you must draw it in a solid line. Yeah, so you can see lah, this example, this is dash line, this is solid line. Yeah. Okay, now you shade the region. This question is very easy. Why? Because the graph is already drawn for you. You just shade. And how to shade? You just look at your symbol. More, that means upper. Yeah, you shade on top of the line. So this one also already given to you, dash line. So more, you have to shade here. Okay, and then this one is less, this solid line, and then less. Less should be below the straight line. Yeah, and then this one is less, so less will be below. And then this is more will be here. This is more also, more will be here. Yeah, this is more, and this is the straight line, so more will be here. Can you remember that? Quite simple. Okay, next. Okay, this time it is more challenging for you. Yeah. Okay. Why? Because this time you are only given the inequalities. Yeah. You are given inequalities, and then you are asked to draw the graph and then shade the region. So you have to remember, how do you draw a graph when you are given linear inequalities? How to draw? Yeah, last time when I teach you under the topic of straight line, how do you draw the straight line? Yeah, you cannot use this symbol. Yeah, you have to change into y equal to x plus 3. Then, only then you can draw the graph. So, we go step by step. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this one for A. Yeah? For A, I have 5 steps here for you to do it systematically. First step, okay, first step is you change to linear equation. Okay, this is linear inequalities. How do you change into linear equation? You just write y equal 2x plus 3. Okay, done. And then step 2, you make a table. Why do you make a table? Because you want to have 2 points, and then you want to make a straight line. So you make a table xy, and then you can choose any x. Yeah, normally for easy one you just choose 0 and 1 lah. Yeah, and then what you do, you just substitute to this one, 0 plus 3, so you'll get this one is 3, and then if 1, you'll get here 5. Okay, done for step 2. So next for step 3, you just plot the points. Yeah, plot the points. Here the points is 0, 3, so 0, 3 will be here. Yeah, 0, 3 will be here. 1, 5, 1, 5 will be here. So next, before you draw, this is very important step. Yeah, what type of line? Is it a solid line or is it a dash line? So this time you have to refer to your inequalities. It is, check on the symbol. So it is, you have the equal sign over there, so it is a solid line. Okay, decided solid line, and then step 5, draw the line. Draw the line. Okay, you draw the line, and then you shade the region. To shade the region, once again you check the symbol. It's less than, equal or less than. So you have to shade here. So you shade here. So you have done for A. Yeah? Easy? So you just remember all the 5 steps. Okay, next. Okay, next for B. Yeah, for B. So change to linear, y equal x plus 5. And then step 2, make a table. Yeah, make a table. So 0, that means 0 plus 5. This is 5. 1, 1 plus 5. It is 6. Okay, done. Step 3, plot the points. So 0, 0, 5 will be here. And then 1, 6, 1, 6 will be here. Yeah. And then you just, before go to step 5, you type of line. Type of line. So this, the symbol is no equal sign, so it will be a dash line. So you can draw now. Okay, you have drawn that. Then use a ruler. Yeah, you can extend the line over here. Yeah, even though you have only 2 points here. Yeah, but you extend it with your ruler. Yeah, using a ruler. And then already drawn. And then you shade the region once again. Look at this. So the region will be here. Okay, this is y more 2x plus 5. Okay, that is very easy. So go to C. First step, change to equal. Next, table. So when 0, it is 0, 1, it is 2. Okay, done. Step 3, plot the points. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2 will be here. And then remember, very important, step 4, type of line. Type of line is equals, got equal sign, so it is a solid line. Done. And then step 5, you draw the line. Draw the line, and then you shade the region. Once again, look at here. So less will be, you just shade here. You shade here. So this is the region for y less than 2x. Okay. Okay, next for D. Okay, D, this one is very important. Yeah, very important. Why? Because before you change into linear equation, you have to make it in a form of y mx plus c. Yeah, y equal mx plus c. Your y must be here at the left hand side, but the problem is you have this x and also the negative sign. So what do you do? We make it we transfer the x and the negative, yeah, to the right hand side. So what you should do? Okay, so x minus y more than 4. So this one you have minus x, this one minus x. So left here, this one cancel. We have y more than 4 minus x. And then and you can also write negative y more than negative x plus 4. Yeah, you just move the change their position. Okay, now it's still not complete. Yeah, not complete because you have this negative sign here. Yeah, so how do you remove that negative? How do you make it disappear? Okay, to make it disappear, you times with a negative. Yeah, here you times negative, will become y. Here you times negative, become x. Here you times negative, become negative 4. But what will happen? The symbol will change when you times it with, or when you multiply it with a negative number. So this is a very, very important part here that you have to change, yeah, the symbol. Okay, done. You have changed it, and then now you go to step 1. You make it an equation, yeah. Okay. Next is the second step, yeah, with x 0. That means 0 minus 4 is negative 4. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So what do? You plot the points. 0, negative 4 will be here. Oh, sorry. 0, negative 4 will be here. This is wrong, yeah. Teacher also can get confused. 1, negative 3, 1, negative 3. 1, negative 3 will be here. So next, type of line, it is less, yeah. Type of line is a dash line. So remember to dash it. Okay, then you have drawn it. Then now you shade. You see, now you shade. The inequality is, the symbol is less, yeah. Less will be below here. So what will happen if you don't have the knowledge to change this symbol? Yeah, if you see the original question, the symbol is more, but actually it's already changed. So this part is very important for you to remember, yeah. So please be alert. Okay, y equals 0. Okay, y equals 0, change to y equal 0 here. Yeah, more than or equal 0. You change into a linear equation. So next, make a table. So you make a table, but y is always 0, 0, 0. So whatever your x is, 1 or 2, your x will always be 0, your y will always be 0. So how do you draw, how do you mark it? This is x, this is y. So y0 will always be where? Okay, let's say 1, 0. 1, 0, where do you mark it? Here, right? 2, 0, here. So actually, when y equals 0, the line, it is all over here. It's all will be over here. So actually, don't have to plot. Yeah, you don't have to plot. Don't have to make table. But you have to check the type of line. Type of line will be solid line. So the solid line will be where? Yes, it will be on the x-axis. This is called y equal 0. Yeah. So you have drawn it. Shade the region. Look at here. More. Shade the region. So more will be over here. Okay. Last one is x change to equal 4, and then for table, actually you don't have to do a table because you know that x equal 4 is here, and then you just table also no need lah. Yeah, so you plot, no need to plot points. Type of line you just check here. Yeah, less, it will be a dash line. Okay, done. Then step 5 you draw. Yeah, you draw. So this is actually x equal 4. Yeah, and then you shade the region. So look at the symbol less. That means you draw the line first. You draw the line first, and then you shade less. Less will be here. Okay, so that's it. Now you can do exercise 6.1c. Yeah, 6.1c, and I think you can do all the questions. Yeah, so all the best to you. Bye.